Ano yan?
Ayun, okay, thank you.
Well, we kept the faith. Yun ang ano, key. We are struggling. We lost 3 of our last 4 games. But, you know, I've always been a positive person, and I look at everything half full rather than half empty. So we ended up 9-5. Still, that was a good record. That's still better than the record of the past. Pero it wasn't good enough to enter the semis this year. So that's how tight race is. And we just kept faith that we won that many games, and we were capable of winning big games. And we haven't beaten San Sebastian this year, and we thank the Lord for giving us this opportunity to play them again. And San Sebastian is a very tough team. If they're gonna enter if they're gonna win on Wednesday, they're still a tough team in the playoff. And Coach George Gallant, sanay na yan sa twice to beat. Yung laging twice to beat yung kalaban niya. So they're a very tough team, and kita nyo naman kahit we were up 15, they'll come back.
So parang baga yung big game counts, yung baga yung panalo nyo talaga.
Talaga lang nagkataon na medyo malaki na yung labang namin. And we were able to stop their 3 pointers, especially Biray, wala yata napasok na 3 points.
0-5 lahat.
So maganda yung naging depensa namin.
So yung plano nyo, talagang limit na perimeter.
Talagang dinikita namin para i-limit yung perimeter.
Full court full game.
So, tinignan ko yung mga tapes at saka yung mga games sila, especially games sila against Letran. So, yun ang pinagpasihan ko.
So, sabi iba yung Maui Pradas for gentleman. At nang magandang yun.
Si Maui kasi, kita nyo naman, lagi ko siyang start. He started majority of the, he's a veteran, he's on his last year, and he's sacrificing on defense. Ang hindi nakikita sa stats kasi yung depensa eh. Pero siya yung primary starter ko doon sa offensive man ng kabila. And he's done that this year. Nag-sacrifice yung offensa niya, and minsan nagigigil siya na umiscore, pero I gotta give it to him. Kung ngayon mainit siya, he hit crucial baskets, and I think kita niyo naman yung end on third. Talaga, that's God's gift. It could have been a lesser lead. Baka nung 4-point lead na lang kami, 1 point na lang kung di niya napasok yung 3 points at the end of the third.